naman tayo. Why do you have to sleep so close to mama like that? Look at mama's neck. Oh, wait, look at mama's neck. That's how close you are. Yeah, sometimes you're closer than that. Mama's neck is owie na. Oh, you see? Mama's neck is owie. I know. Oh my god. No biting, You went from... Oh. I couldn't even talk. Hi. No, bitey. It's gonna be owie for mama. You're the one who come close to me. Sunshine sleeping up there on the doorway. Ay na, Sunshine. Did mama hurt you, doll? Kay kanina, kay lumabas ako, tapos andyan siya sa pinto. Nakalimutan ko. Yan siya, oh. Uy, natakpan. I love you. Sunshine namin dyan. Nakangiti-ngiti pa yan, Sunshine. Nagawa niya pag tinatawag siya na niya yung ulo niya, Sunshine. Ewan ko ba, nasanay na siyang ganyan pag tinatawag. You sleeping, doll? Doll? Are you sleeping, doll? Sunshine? Good night, baby. Good night na, matulog daw siya. Nakapikit na yung mata, Nakapikit na, matutulog na siya. Ayun yan ang palistorbo dyan. Dyan yan palaging gusto. Buti na lang dyan siya nakaupo. Hindi dun sa hindi dyan sa may pinto talaga. Dyan lang siya dyan. Pero, kamusta naman tayo dito, banda? You're a bit far now. That's good. I can move a bit now. That's good. Thank you. Thank you. Randan. Kamsahamnida. Arigato. Good night, babies. Good night, babies. Sus, kanina pa yun siya gusto matulog sa shoulder. Hindi na kita didisturbohin kasi matutulog din ako. Siesta time. See ya!